Ben, Ben, you look damn good, Ben. Yes, Ben. What you mean, Ben? Why, John was that one I have to go put up there, Ben. Yeah, man. That one that look good, man. Yeah, man. What you mean, man? Lord God, man. This is Cousin Ben, J. Uncle Ben, J. Yeah, man. Up, man. This is the one in the Highland, man. Looking good, man. How many have to put up, brother? Yeah, man, have to put up, man. How are you, say, man?